In this video we'll look at creating a simple menu and putting that into our website so that it's much easier to navigate. So first of all, we want to open up a new Photoshop document. We'll just call it menu at the top there, and I normally make the width 100 pixels and the height 300 pixels. That's normally about the right size for the average web page. Just click OK and you'll have a little rectangle there to work on. So I'm just going to use my text tool, and you can call that first page index, but I'm going to call it home because that's what most users are used to. So I'm just going to make that black, my color to black if Photoshop is working for me. Okay, and then just press enter. In fact, I might make that lowercase, that's fine. Okay, now my next page was Bulldogs. My next page was, I'll just put Foxes. And my next page was, see if I've got enough space, just enough space. Okay, that's all I need. Home page, Bulldogs, Foxes and Shih Tzu. I will use my crop tool, which is the 5th tool down. So your move tool, marquee, lasso, magic wand, crop tool. Just start at the top left hand corner here and just give yourself a little bit of space. At the bottom, I've probably left too much there with the 300 scale, so just double click. Okay, now I want to save that just as a GIF or a JPEG image. Probably a GIF is probably best. So I'm going to save it as a PSD, Photoshop document, in case I want to come back and add some extra items to the menu. Just go File, Save As, Menu, and then I will navigate to my folder, my first website, just save it in there. And now I'm going to save it as a GIF, File, Save As. Down here for format, just take that down to GIF, it'll say CompuServe GIF, and save it in there. So a GIF is a much smaller file, so it loads much more easily. Close that. Now I can go to my Dreamweaver file and I'm going to put it in here. So just click in that section there. Looks like it's heading to the bottom. So I'll go vertical alignment. It says horizontal and vertical here. Just make that top, and hopefully my cursor should go to the top. And then insert image. The menu is just an image. And there's one image. Notice when I mouse over it, it comes up as GIF file. That's the one that I want. And there's also the other one, which is a Photoshop document. As you can see, the little icon there, I don't want that one. So just double click and click OK there. And then that will come in like that.